Hey guys, so after editing my video and stuff, I noticed that my powder underneath my contour wasn't fully blended out. So please don't roast me, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieve these super long extended locks. I left like 3 pieces in the front so that I can show you guys step by step on how to achieve these locks. So I'm not going to spend too much time talking. Let's get started on the video. Alright, so I got these 3 sections. Just to give you guys a heads up, I did the LOC method, and basically what I did was I used the Camille Rose Naturals honey leave-in. Then I went in with grapeseed oil, and then I sealed in all the moisture with 100% African shea butter. And those 3 things help to keep my hair moisturized for a long period of time. I only use these products when I do have a long-term protective styling. I don't put these products in my hair when I have my hair out and about. So I also have a video that I recorded 2 days ago where I basically show you all how I prep my natural hair for a long-term protective style. So down to the wash day routine, conditioning, blow dry, all that is going to be up here at the top. I hope you all enjoy the video, and let's get started. I'm gonna comb just to define the part a little bit more. And just as a heads up too, I did free parts all throughout my hair. I didn't really part with a comb, I just used my nails. When it came to the front though, I did try my best to make the parts a little bit more defined, because that's going to be what people see when that's the first thing people are going to see when they see me. So that's what I did. And I feel like when you don't do super defined parts, it makes it where people feel as though, you know, this is your hair. It looks more natural and realistic. So that's why I do that. And plus, I can't part to save my life. I didn't get that parting gene that most black people got. Guys, this is super simple and easy to achieve. I'm trying to braid as tightly as possible. Hope y'all could see that. I don't braid all the way down to the ends because I feel like that's damaging to my hair, and it makes the takedown process a little bit more easier for me. Alright, cool. So with these locks, right, there's a little opening. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's like a little opening right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my finger through the opening, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the crochet needle through the root of the braid, and then I'm going to hook the loop onto the opening of the crochet hook. I'm going to close the crochet hook, pull it through, and then here's the opening of the lock. I'm going to pull my hair and the faux lock through this loop. Boom, tie it securely, and there you go. I'm going to unravel the faux lock and I'm going to wrap. Unravel the faux lock and wrap. Unravel the faux lock and wrap. And I'm basically going to wrap my hair. I'm gonna wrap until my own hair stops. You see, I'm just pulling down to like open up the lock, and I'm wrapping it. I'm wrapping my hair, my actual braid that I created. Yeah, I decided not to use the ring light today and just my studio lights. So let me know if you guys like this setup more. I feel like sometimes the ring light can be a little bit too harsh. It makes me look very washed out. I don't really like that look. But yeah, so now my hair is covered up and I'm just wrapping this around my finger to make sure that, you know, it's nice and secure. And then you unravel it and this is your lock, right? All right, so now here's the part where we actually unravel, or this is the part where we extend the lock. Use this. So y'all remember that loop that you guys see? Oh, this one is a little bit smaller. Let me open up a little bit more. So you see the opening of the lock, right? Come on, focus. You see the opening of the lock, right? What you're gonna do is you're gonna just pull your finger through it and separate the lock, right? So here's the lock. It's super long. Cool, cool, cool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the bottom of my lock, just the bottom, like so. I want to split it like so. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the lock that I just split in half, and this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna tie. I'm gonna tie it. I tie it twice just to make sure it's as secure as possible. So this is what it looks like right now. This is what it looks like so far. So now what I do is I try to look and see which end is the curliest. I like the curly end. I want this to be the end of my lock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it to where this part is longer and the part I'm going to be wrapping with is shorter. And now we're going to basically do the same thing that we did before. So I'm going to open up the lock and then you're going to wrap. Open up the lock, going to wrap. Open up the lock and wrap. Open up and wrap. This is really hard to do with acrylics. This is actually my first time wearing acrylics, so I'm surprised that I was able to manage. Open up and lock. Open up and wrap. 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 Open up, wrap. Open up, wrap. And we're gonna wrap all the way until there's no more of this piece. And basically, and it's super simple. I just wrap literally until there's nothing left. and then I twirl it around my fingers like so, and then this is the lock. I'm gonna try to show you guys. You see? So now you have the super long lock. And another thing I admire about the Bobbi Boss locks, Bobbi Boss Bomba Faux Locs, is the fact that the locks come in different sizes, and I feel like that helps to achieve a very natural look as well, because that means that your locks aren't gonna all, you know, be the same size and everything. So that helps add to like the authenticity of the. So I'm gonna show y'all one more time. And I'm not someone, I don't like using edge control or gel when doing my protective style, because I get built up very easily, and this dandruff is no joke, and I just don't want to. Again, try to ensure that your roots are as tight as possible, not to the point where you have a headache, but just try to braid to where it feels secure. And then when I get to the ends, I just twist. So you're going to stick the crochet needle into the base of your braid. You're going to get the little opening. You see the opening right here? You're going to hook the opening onto the crochet hook. You're gonna close the crochet hook. So you see it's open, now it's closed. You're gonna pull the crochet hook through your braid, and then I remove the crochet needle from the loop, and then here's the opening right here. Come on, focus. Here's the opening right here. You're going to pull your lock and your braid that you created through the through the opening, and then you're going to tighten. All right, so now you see I open up the lock. This is how it is now. I open up the lock, and I'm basically wrapping in the direction that the lock naturally curls in. So look, open, wrap, open, wrap, open, wrap, open, wrap, open, wrap, open, all the way down to where your hair stops. So I feel like if your hair is on the shorter side, this style shouldn't take you as long as opposed to someone like me who has longer hair, because again, you have to wrap until your hair is fully covered. And I prefer the wrapping method over actually pulling your natural hair through the lock, because I feel like it kind of distresses the lock a little bit and it makes it look more natural. When you pull the lock, when you pull your braid through the lock, it just looks too uniform and too perfect. I don't like how that looks, so I like this method better. And then look, we wrap. We not wrap, we twirl this around our fingers just to make sure everything is secure. And look, I let go, and that's that. Now again, to extend the lock, you see the little opening right here. We're going to put our fingers through that opening, and then we're going to split it in half, open up the bottom of the lock, right? And then this is the lock that we just wrapped, and I guess unraveled the end. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna tie We're gonna tie it to secure and to help with the extension. And I'm gonna tie it 2 times to just ensure the extra needed security. All right, cool. So you remember last time, like I said, I look at the ends to see which end is more curly. I'm gonna choose this one because I like how this end looks. And because it's already the longer piece, I don't really have to do any other adjustments. And then this is going to be the part that I wrap with, and this is gonna be the part, including the little twirly ends, that are gonna be covered up. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna open up the lock, this piece, and you're gonna just wrap, open, wrap, open, wrap, open, wrap, open up, wrap. And then I just twirl, 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 and that's it. This is my hair. It is hot. Oh my god. In terms of how many parts I did, I have 40 locks in my hair, and because I had to use double the amount of hair, I used about 5 packs because 15 locks come in each individual package. I don't remember the locks being that expensive. I bought them online. There's tons of websites out there that sell them for like $5 a pack. I wouldn't recommend buying it from the beauty supply store because all the beauty supply stores now want to capitalize off of, you know, everybody doing locks now and stuff. So I do feel like the beauty supply store does charge a little bit more than if you were to just get it from a website and buy it in bulk. Yeah, 5. I say for starting out, because I have a pretty big head, so I think for regular head size people, you know, this is your first time, do try to have more packs on hand because it is going to take a while to get a hold of the technique. And you just, because I struggled a couple times and I've messed up a couple locks this is when I first started doing my own locks, and I've been doing my own locks now for over a year now, so now this is like practically second nature for me. But yeah guys, so I hope that this video was helpful and I hope it was informative for you guys. I hope you all enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.